I'm Holly, that's Ray, and this is our home, Sabado. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure. Do you hear that? It's 6 a.m. and that is the sound of our mooring bolt banging against our hull, which means there's probably no wind out there. I guess I'll get up. It's so calm out here. You can see straight down to all the fish that are down there. So we are currently moored in Camille Bay, and my brother went back to Texas this morning, but my parents are still on board, and we found a mooring field just across the bay here at Lovango Cay, I think. That's supposed to have great snorkeling right off the back of your boat, and you can also get like a day pass for the resort amenities. So I think we're gonna go pretend to be fancy resort guests today. My mom made us these fender covers for Christmas. Look how nice! A big improvement from my sweatpant attempt. Starboard off! Wow, this is nice. Oh, it looks so clear. Gorgeous. That was so cool. He's gone. I love it here. That was actually really cool. Something did sting my face while I was down there. I don't know if you can still see it. It was obviously not ideal, but it was probably my fault anyways. I was in their home. The resort here is actually doing some sort of coral grafting restoration project, so we got to check that out and saw some good marine life. That's a win in my book.
Thanks very much for giving me right of way. Thank you very much for right of way.
It's dark and gloomy.
I know, what the heck? Get out of here, Cloud.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So nice.
We're gonna get a little rain.
All right. I'll close the front hatches.
Yeah, just those front two.
Yeah. Gonna get a little rain up there. Okay, we just got to Maho Bay and the weather has cleared up, so I think we're gonna jump in and see if we can find a turtle. There's supposed to be a ton of them all through this harbor, so I'm excited. Freaking way. That was amazing. The mooring field has really filled up. I'm glad we had our turtle encounter before all these people got here. And now we're just hanging out. We put the sunshade up on the bow. My parents are loving it. What is that? It's huge. Is this part of one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, man. I don't really want to stick around to find out, though.
They're everywhere.
What the heck?
Yeah, maybe it is some kind of ant.
Part of it fell off. I don't see any life.
I don't see anything.
Yeah.
Is it just like an invasive plant?
Maybe it's a fungus.
It looks pretty fungusy.
There's a lizard looking at it. Probably he went on there.
It's like that place we used to go and party. Remember the old house?
Hey.
Like a house that burnt down,
Oh,
and they never did rebuild it, and it was just like the foundation.
that's kind of a creepy party spot.
Well, yeah, I mean, nobody houses us there
You're right.
until we started shooting bottle rockets off.
Oh. Oh my god.
That's the jaws and the teeth,
This is like
the
a...
neck, and the ribs, the spine.
Ooh. It's a dog, probably.
Oh.
Pretty big.
Coyote? Yeah, that's really nice.
That big bowl of fruit at the gym.
He's like taking the lives.
So we took like 4 limes.
That's great.
That's cool. With the moon and everything.